one, go!
The story begins with the great Danish king Hrothgar having trouble in his kingdom with the monster called Grendel. Every night Grendel invades his great tower the man Nether. From across the sea in Sweden, Beowulf heard about the Danish terrible problem with Grendel. He took his best man and rushed to help.
I think it's the Yates, Your Majesty.
Okay, Ashton. Welcome, Beowulf. I know your father and I have heard you are legendary warriors.
But the beast cannot be killed. Every night he slays the best warriors around.
I am not afraid. I will stay here tonight, and when the beast comes, I will kill him. First, we have a feast in your honor.
The main eight drank, told stories until darkness fell. Some left only the bravest stayed. As the began to fall asleep, the floor began to shake. It was coming. Beowulf was sleeping in a quiet barn.
Beowulf! Beowulf! It's the monster! What? What I killed it! No, it's the other one! It's my mother! It is all the tickets for a better than that thing. I will go to the darkness and kill this demon.
When they arrived at the dark lake of Grendel's mother, only Beowulf dared to dive in. He felt himself dragged down and down. Just when it thought his lungs would burst, he saw a cave above the level of the water. They fought wildly, but for every blow Beowulf strikes her, she strikes back just as hard, and Beowulf notices a huge floor on the wall that was made for giants in the ancient days. After his great success, he was a legend and became a great king. 50 years passed. Then, in his old age, he was to face the final test.
Give it a minute! Yes? And they're going to do all the villain and bring down houses. We need to help the people.
Beowulf knew what he had to do. They marched to the dragon lair. Only one arrow left came toward